How are you?
Alhamdulillah. Okay, this is just a brief introduction to the growth and development block. I welcome you all once again to this block, that is the growth and development. So here I will just try to make you aware of this course, some of the important features. One is the course credit hours, then the prerequisites, then you will also come to know about the members of this committee, then what is the method of assessment, how we will examine you, as well as the recommended books. Also, we'll try to make you understand the basic sciences included in this course, then the topics which are covered in this course. Okay, so as you know, this is called as the growth, aging and development. Okay, it is also called a growth, development and aging, or growth, aging and development, GAD. Now the course code has been changed from 231 to now it is 203, GAD 203. As you know, this is 6 weeks block, so it will be for 6 weeks. So it is a very short course. So try to uh, start from early, try to understand the course as well as try to start reading before the course. Okay, it is very short block. The 6th week will have the practical exams, everything. So the first 3 weeks, already we started with the first week. This is the first week, that is the 10th week. Then 11th and 12th week. These are the first 3 weeks. Okay, 10th, 11th, and 12th. And in the 13th week, we'll have the mid block exam. So mid block exam will be in the 4th week. Okay, the dates have come. I think you already know. If you don't know, I will just give you the dates. Okay, then 5th week again there will be classes, and 6th week there will be classes. Along with that, there will be also practicals in the 6th week. Then the final exam also has come. Dates have come. I think you know. If you don't know, I will try to share you the dates so that you can check the dates of the both the mid block exam as well as the final practical, final theory. All the dates are ready. Do you know about the dates? When are the exams? Mid block, final, written, practicals. You have the dates with you?
Yes, yes. That we don't know, but
Okay.
we know the week.
They have not given you the dates. Okay, will you give you
No,
the dates? Okay,
no.
so I will send later the dates of exams. Okay, you can just
Thank you.
check it. Yeah, and start preparing from now. Don't delay it. Start reading from now. So this is, as you know, this is an integrated block. So there will be many subject specialties included. One is the anatomy, then the embryology development, then the histology, then lot of clinical specialties are involved. Okay. The prerequisites, as you know, you should clear the level 2, and you have cleared the level 2 and you have come here. So I am the coordinator for this block, and these are the members of this committee, which includes the head of the department and other people. The credit hours will be 4 hours. So it will be 2 plus 1 plus 1. 2 is for the lectures, 2 credit hours, 1 for the practicals, and 1 for the seminars which you have. Okay. Coming to the description. So here we'll mainly cover the spermatogenesis as well as the oogenesis. Together it is called as the gametogenesis. Gametes, the sperm and the ovum are called as the gametes. So gametogenesis. Genesis means development. Then we also cover the prenatal as well as the postnatal, the development in the fetus as well as outside after it comes to life. So what are the developments and what are the changes taking place, that we'll try to understand, as well as the early childhood, what are the changes taking place in adolescence, adulthood, as well as in the old age group, what are the changes within the human being. So we'll broadly understand. So that's why it is called as growth, development, as well as aging. So we'll study the growth of the human body, the development, then the aging process, how it takes place. So we'll include the embryology, as I said before, include the fertilization, implantation, oogenesis, and further development. Then the physiological changes during menstrual cycle, hormonal changes, physiological changes, as well as even in case of changes in case of elderly. Okay. Then also we'll study the pediatric and family medicine, which is clinically oriented, where we'll try to understand the growth chart, the milestones, important milestones, to see whether the development of the child is fine or not. Okay, then the health issues related to the childhood as well as the adolescence, how they change. Then also we'll try to understand the community health. Okay, what is the role of the mother, the children, and the elderly with relation to the community? So all this we'll try to understand. So these are the topics which we'll cover. So the male and female reproductive system, we have already started. Yesterday we started with the practical, and inshallah, after this lecture there will be the lecture of the same. So we'll try to understand more about the male and female reproductive system. Then we will try to understand the cell division, that is the mitosis and meiosis, as well as the gametogenesis, which include the oogenesis in case of female and spermatogenesis in case of male. Genesis as a means development. Then we'll try to understand the changes taking place in the first week, that is the fertilization, cleavage, and implantation. Then second week development and the third week development. So weekly developments for first 3 weeks, because these 3 weeks are very important, early development of the fetus. Then we'll try to also understand the fetal periods, then pregnancy, then the childbirth. Then we'll try to understand the growth chart as well as the what are the roles of the well baby clinic. Then the physiological changes taking place. Anything? So the physiological changes taking place within the woman, okay, during the puberty, pregnancy, and later changes. Both in case of males and the female, we'll try to understand, as well as the menopause taking place in the women, as well as about the health care which is taking place within the Saudi Arabia as well as the throughout the world. So coming to the exams, test, how we'll examine you. So this is the assessment strategy. As you know, we'll have every week we'll have seminars. So tomorrow you will choose the topics for your seminars. So already the seminar topics are already there in the blog booklet. Please read the blog booklet. I will show you where is the blog booklet. Try to read and don't say we did not know later. Don't say that we did not know. So everything is there within the blog booklet, including the objectives, how we'll give the conduct the exams, everything, all details are there. Okay, so the seminars will include 10 marks. Okay, so it will include 10 marks and you will choose the topics. 2 or 3 students will take one topic and you will arrange yourself. Okay, so this time we have 15 boys and 20 girls. So 15 boys, there would be around 6 topics. Okay, so 3 can take one topic and you can present it. In case of boys, in case of girls, I think around 4. Okay, then it will carry 10 marks. So prepare well and be ready for all the questions related to that. So read well, prepare well, and present well. So that is very important in case of seminars, how you present. So practice before you present any seminars, practice it. Then along with that, we'll have quizzes. As I said before, next week, Sunday, you'll have the quiz one. So, and we'll try to conduct regularly the quizzes. Okay. So compulsory are only 2 quizzes, but we'll try to see if we can conduct more. So you just after the quiz one, give me the date for the quiz two, so that seeing all your other quizzes, so that I can fix it on the day and time which you wish. Okay. So quizzes will carry 5 marks, and assignment will carry 5 marks. Okay. So you can also take up the assignment, and you can complete. If you want, you can take up early and you can finish it off early. Then, as I said, in the third week, you'll have the midterm, mid-block exam actually. Okay. And the practicals will be in the 6th week, and the final exams will be in the maybe it is after Ramadan. Okay, so I will just give you the exact dates, so that you can start preparing. So this will seminars, quizzes, and assignment will be the PSW, which will carry 20 marks, seminars 10 marks, quiz 5 marks, and assignment 5 marks. Then midterm will have 20 marks, which will have 30 questions, approximately 30 questions and 20 marks. Then practicals will carry 20 marks, where there will be 10 stations, and final exam will carry 40 marks. Around 60 questions will be there and 40 marks. Okay, so this will be the arrangement of the quizzes and exams. This is how the assessment will take place for you. So do you have any questions regarding this assessment? Yeah.
Thank you, Doctor.
Yeah, tell me.
How many questions will the final exam have?
Final exam will have 60 questions.
Oh.
Yeah.
And the seminar, what do we do in the seminar? Do we make a presentation, or we
Yeah,
just have
you will prepare the presentation, PowerPoint presentation. You will choose one topic, okay, along with your friends. Okay, so depending on how many topics, we have 6 topics, and it depends on how many students are there. So girls, I think you also can take 3 or 4 students can take one topic, and there are objectives you can distribute among yourself depending on number. You can choose your topic as well as the objectives, and you can list and give your names with the topics and objectives beforehand, so that we know who will be presenting next week and after that week. Okay, and prepare well.
the seminar will be in the college or online?
It will be online. It will be online. Okay, just like the lectures, these seminars will be online.
And the quiz will be on the
In the college.
lab?
All exams will be in the in the college, including the quiz.
And the assignment?
Yeah, midterm, final exam, quizzes, everything will be in the college. But seminars will be online.
And the assignment?
Assignment you will submit. Okay. If you want, I can give you the topics, and you can prepare it and you can submit it. Whenever you come to the college, you can submit it. We'll give the cutoff date. Before that, you can submit it. Okay. What else? Students, whatever questions you have, you can ask me. Okay, let me show you the college Moodle website for this block, so that I will show you the important links which are present here. Okay, one is I will show you. Okay, So as you know, this is the Moodle web link for this block. So this is a welcome letter from me, and then this is the link for all lectures. This is the link for the seminar. We'll send you the special links because the girls and boys will be divided, so it will be separate links. So that will send you at the time of seminar. Okay. But for all lectures, this is the link. Okay, unless the teacher gives some other link. If not, it will be here. Okay, so every time this is for the attendance. Log in inside and go to your specific regions. Okay, which are lecture or lecture, practical, whatever is there. So there you can give your attendance directly. Okay, and give it before you enter the lecture so that you don't forget. Or even if you forget, within 1 hour, it will be for 1 hour. Previously I kept it just for 15 minutes. Now I will keep it for 1 hour for during the whole lecture. Whenever you remember, just go and click and mark your attendance. So you will be responsible for your own attendance. Later don't tell me that I forgot, don't message me that I forgot or something like that. So I have kept it for 1 hour, completely for 1 hour open, so that you can mark the attendance whenever you remember. And you try to remind your friends each other so that you don't forget to mark the attendance. So always make sure that whenever you enter, just first mark your attendance, then enter the lecture so that you don't forget. Okay. And anybody, if you have some shortage of attendance less than 80, then there will be problems. Okay. Yes, Joe. Yeah.
Yeah, doctor, I don't know the schedule of this block because and do you attend from Sunday to Wednesday? What about Thursday? Because I have an appointment on Thursday and I
Okay,
don't know.
I have already sent you the timetable, and I think you get timetables every week. So even I have
No,
upload on the WhatsApp group. I have uploaded the timetable. It,
I'm not part of the WhatsApp group, unfortunately.
you're not part of the group.
No.
Why?
I'm a new student.
New student. Okay, no problem. You join. You take the link, or you WhatsApp me so that I can send you the link. Okay, join into the group. Don't forget to join. Any student who is outside the group, then it is very difficult for me to communicate. So whatever important things will upload on the group. So any information we want to give, we give it on the group. So make sure that you are in the group. Okay. If you
Okay.
don't have the link, just send me the yeah, WhatsApp message so that I can send you the link.
Okay.
Okay. Here your friends have sent you the links.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. So you can join this group, and then all the important messages are there. Don't say later that I was not in the group, I did not know, because all important information will give there as well as here. So both are important, WhatsApp group as well as this Moodle link. Okay, both are very important. Okay, then here is the student guide, very important here, this one, student guide. All the information is here. So later don't say that we did not know, because all information, whatever you need, are here, including all details. Okay, so all the topics here are there, all the lecture topics are there, what are the seminars for each week, they are there, when is the mid block exam as well as the final exam, all details are here. Okay, including all the practicals, lectures, topics, as well as, if you see here, the assignment, assessment. Okay, the recommended books are here, the links are there, as well as all the seminar topics are here. See here, there is the seminar 1 and 2, then 3, 4, all the topics, as well as here is the topic, and these are the objectives. Okay, these are the objectives, and if there are two students for this seminar, one will choose the first two, and the second will choose the second two, and you will prepare a PowerPoint presentation, and before you present, you will send it to us, the teachers who are there. For the boys, you will send it to me, and for girls, you will send it to Dr. Malaz. Dr. Malaz will be responsible for seminars for the girls. So you will send it to Dr. Malaz, and boys will send it to me. Before presentation, you should submit, so that if there are any recommendations, we can ask you to correct. Okay, always make sure. So all these seminars are present here. All topics along with the objectives are here, as well as here all the objectives to all the topics, the lectures. These are the lectures. So what is the lecture and what are the objectives we'll cover here. So all this information is there here. So whatever information is necessary for you are all there in this student guide. Okay, so check into the student guide. So these are for the practicals, all information for the practicals. Here are the practical sessions and what are the objectives for each practical session. Okay, all this information is there here.
Sorry, doctor.
Yeah, tell me.
For the seminars, each student will have his own seminar, or like group, like for 3 students will do one seminar.
Yeah, it depends how many students are there. If there are 2 or 3 students, they will take up one seminar, but within the seminar there are objectives. As I showed you, there will be objectives. So each one of you will choose few objectives. As I said, if there are 2 students, one student will choose the 1, 2, and the second student will choose 3 and 4. If there are 3 students, one will choose 2 objectives and the remaining one. Okay, and you will present your own seminar. Don't confine to 1 or 2 slides. You should be elaborate in more detail. Don't try to be very short. Okay, make it an elaborate, well defined presentation. Even though the objectives might be 1 or 2, try to explain it in detail. Get all information. Try to find out all the information beforehand, and before you present, show it to your teachers, so for any corrections. Okay, so this is the student guide. Make sure everyone download this, read it, try to understand all the details are here. Okay, all the details are there. Whatever you should know, it is already given, and the lectures are already uploaded here. So before okay, so here this is the student guide where you can download. Then these are the recommended books as well as the electronic resources. Okay, then if there are any announcements, we will do it here. And seminar topics with their objectives I have uploaded separately, even though it is present in the student guide. Here again I have uploaded so that you don't miss. Then here all the lectures of that week, each week. This is the 10th week. This is the first week, which we call this as the 10th week, and the dates are here, and all the topics which are covered this week will be shown here. Okay, so this I am taking right now this one introduction, so this is here uploaded. Then afterwards 2 o'clock I will have the second lecture. So here this is the lecture. Okay, then on Tuesday, the date, time, everything, all details are here. Okay, even though you already have the timetable with you, along with that here also all the details are there. Okay, so all these lectures are there. So click on these topics and you will get the PDF or the PPT here, and try to just download and you will get all the information there in your own laptop or computer. Okay, so all these lectures you can download, and but as I said before, we'll be updating. If there are updates, please keep on checking. Okay, till we usually take, after taking usually we don't update, so it is up to the till we take the lectures. So keep on checking. If you download all the lectures, you will be checking for the updates. Okay, once we take, usually we don't update it. Okay, once the lecture is taken on the Moodle, then we don't update. Okay, so this is all about this block. So all information is here. The most important will be the student guide. So for all information, student guide, everyone should have it. Go through it and don't say we did not know. Okay. Okay, any other details you want? and make sure that all the students are present. Here I see only 21 students out of the 35 students, only 21 are there. Okay, just don't give attendance and disappear, because we'll know, we will have all the statistics with us, how many minutes the student attended, how many seconds, minutes, or duration, when he joined, when he went out, he or she. Okay, or who just gave the attendance, who did not attend the lectures, all the details are with us. Okay, we'll get all the details. So try to attend the lectures. This will benefit you. Whatever we say, even if you get one word or one sentence, it is beneficial than reading for 1 hour. Okay, so try to attend all the lectures. Don't miss the lectures, practicals. If you are somewhere outside, please make sure that you come and attend the lectures and practicals. Especially for practicals, you have to be in the college. Yes, June, tell me.
The password for attendance.
Pardon?
The password for attendance.
67890. This will be for all your lectures. Okay, which I gave it today. So this will be for all your lectures. But it will open for the duration when it is there. The lecture when is there, at that time it will open and it will close after the lecture. So make
Yeah.
sure that you join before joining. Make sure you give the attendance, then join.
Regarding the timetable, because I just joined the WhatsApp group, even if it was sent before, it doesn't appear in the
Okay.
page.
Okay. Some of your friends will share with you, inshallah. Just request someone just share with her the timetable. Okay. Anything else? Students, come on, speak up. If you have any difficulties, you can ask.
Doctor, can you make a link for the recorded lecture?
Yeah. Recorded lectures. Because it is taken by different lectures, my lectures, I think you all know where it will be uploaded to my channel. It will be there always. Okay, for others, you have to remind the teachers as well as ask them to record, because some of the teachers don't record. So make sure, ask them to record it, and he or she will share with you. Okay, so
Okay.
remind the teachers, because there is no special area where we can upload. Previously, we used to do record it on the Moodle, but the Moodle used to crash. Okay, so we had a lot of difficulty there. So now we are not uploading it on Moodle. Previously, we used to upload out. Okay, so just ask the teachers to record it when they start. Any one of you can remind them, and you can ask them to record. Anything else? Anything, any difficulties you have, any questions you have, you can ask me regarding exams, regarding the lectures. Seminars will have a separate lecture session tomorrow, so where we will speak about that, but remaining things you can ask. So everybody can log into this page on Moodle. Jude, can you log into this page? You have access to this?
Yeah, I have access to this.
Okay. Anybody else who is external here, who is from other college? Okay, I think nobody else is from outside. Okay, then take rest for almost 25 minutes, and 2 o'clock will sharp. We'll start the main anatomy lecture. Okay, so take a break, and inshallah after 25 minutes at 2 o'clock sharp we'll start the lecture. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay,
Okay, thank you.
okay, thank you. Assalamu alaikum.